Okay students, tangents and normal topic lo level 2 class work lo now we have completed 29 questions. Let us going to discuss about 30 questions of the same topic, angle between the two curves. The acute angle is asking the acute angle between the two curves x square plus y square is equal to 4. It is a circle. X square plus y square equal to 4 is a circle and x square equal to 3y is a parabola. Let it be like this. X square plus y square is a circle and x square plus 3y is a parabola. R is this is the vertex of parabola and center of the circle. If we draw tangents between the two, a circle and a parabola, then we can calculate the angle between the two curves at the particular point. Acute angle between is asked. First of all, we should calculate point of intersection. Let first equation, this is second equation. X square plus y square is equal to 4. You substitute the value x square equal to 3y in 1. That implies you write here 3y plus y square equal to 4. That implies you can write y square plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Y square plus 4y minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So y taken common, here you can write as y plus 4 minus 1 into y plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 4 and y equal to 1. If y is equal to minus 4, x square equal to minus 12. Don't take it. This is no. Y equal negative you should not consider. If y is equal to 1, then from 2 you write here. The point of intersection, whenever he did not give point of intersection, you should calculate. X is equal to plus or minus root 3. Therefore, the point of intersection P and Q are there. First one, P is equal to root 3 comma 1 and Q is equal to minus root 3 comma 1. Only at one point we can calculate, it is enough. X square, now you write here differentiating one both sides. Diff one both sides, then you write 2x plus 2y into dy by dx equal to 0. If you divide with 2, you can write here dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. And the value root 3 comma 1 at p root 3 comma 1 I am writing slope m1. At the point p, slope m1 means for first curve minus root 3 by 1 you write. Minus root 3 by 1. Next one we can write here diff 2. Differentiating second equation, we will be getting dy by dx is equal to 2x by 3. 2x by 3. At p root 3 comma 1, you can write slope m2. Slope m2 is equal to minus root 3 you can substitute 2 root 3 by 3. So 2 by root 3 you can write. 2 root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to, using the formula tan inverse of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So theta is equal to tan inverse of m1. What is the value of m1? Minus root 3 minus m2. This is 2 by root 3 whole by 1 plus m1 into m2. What is the value of m1? This is minus root 3 into 2 by root 3. So root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 minus 2 minus 5. Minus 5 by root 3 minus 2 root 3. So tan inverse of, you can write here 5 by root 3 minus 2 root 3. So root 3. 5 by root 3 you can write. Here it is fourth option. Next question 31. 31st question. Students, this is mains question. Mains question lo 4 marks into sum cheyalsi untundi, but you should do in speedy way. Within minutes you should, within 1 minute you should do full this sum. So direct steps you should write. So next 31. 31 completed. 32. 32 question, angle between the curves x cube plus y cube. X cube plus y cube. The equation of curve given as x cube plus y cube plus x plus 2y equal to 0. This is first one. Let it be first equation. Next equation is given as xy plus 2x minus y equal to 0. Let it be second equation. Here 1 and 2 functions are the implicit functions. Angle between the curves at origin he is asking. At 0, 0. Diff both sides. Using the formula of the implicit function dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. So differentiating one will be getting here dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square you write here. 3x square plus 1. Okay. By here y square derivative, here y cube derivative 3y square plus 2. 3y square plus 2. This is at 0, 0 you write here. At 0, 0 slope m1 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now in the same way you follow here dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by dou x by dou f by dou y. What is value? Minus dou f by dou x. So if I for y, for x I am calculating here, it becomes 1 into y. Y plus 2 you write here. Minus of y plus 2 y. For y you are calculating. So here x minus 1. Okay. Yet here also you write yet 0, 0 slope m2. Slope m2 is equal to, substitute 0, 0, you will be getting here minus 2 by minus 1, that is 2. Now you write the value m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 we got. Whenever m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, the two curves are said to be orthogonal. Angle is 90 degrees, it is pi by 2. 33 question. If alpha is the angle between the two curves, he given, generally we noted the angle tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now he is giving the value as alpha for the given value. Y square is given curve. So y square is equal to 2x and x square plus y square is equal to 8. Y square equal to 2x is first curve. It is a parabola, and x square plus y square equal to 8. It is a circle. For the circle and parabola, y square equal to x and x square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 8. He did not give the point of intersection. So you should calculate the point of intersection using this one. X square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x square plus 4x, splitting the middle term, you write here x square plus 4x minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. X taken common, x plus 4 here, and minus 2 taken common, x plus 4 here, you can write as it equal to 0. Then x equal to minus 4 comma x is equal to 2. If x is equal to minus 4, y square becomes minus 8. It is wrong. No, you don't take this one. X is equal to 2 you take. Then y square is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2 becomes 4. Y square is equal to, then y equal to also 2 comma minus 2. Then points p, simply you write 1 point is enough. 2 comma 2. Now this is 1, this is 2. Diff 1, differentiating 1, it becomes 2y y dash is equal to 2. Means 2 get cancelled, y dash is equal to 1 by y. So y dash is equal to 1 by 2 here at the given point. So it is m1. Now diff this one, diff 2. Diff 2 I am writing here. If differentiating to 2x plus 2y y dash equal to 0 with divide by 2, it becomes y dash is equal to minus x, y dash is equal to minus x by y. So at the point given 2 comma 2, y dash is equal to minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 becomes minus 1. Now you write tan alpha is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now you write here minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 plus m1 m2 means here 1 plus 1 by 2. M1 tan inverse m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. 1 plus here, this is y dash is equal to simply 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. M1 minus m, 1 by 2 by correct. So alpha, tan alpha equal to 1. Simply he left the answer as tan alpha equal to 1. Tan alpha is equal to 1. Next one, 32. Students, this is, I think this sum is 33. Now let us discuss 32. 30, oh, completed. 32, pi by 2. 32 is equal to y equal to 2x and x cube plus y cube is equal to another sum I said 31 x cube plus y cube plus x plus 2y xy plus, so this is 31. 32 I missed it. Now let us discuss 32 question. 32 question. Everything is okay, but now we want to discuss 32 question. The angle between the two curves y equal to 2x and x cube plus y cube is equal to 3x. One implicit function and one straight line. 32. Y is equal to 2x. Y equal to 2x and x cube plus y cube equal to 3xy. Y equal to 2x and x cube plus y cube equal to 3xy at the point other than origin. At the point other than origin. Okay. He did not give point of intersection. So point of intersection should calculate. Y is equal to 2x. X cube plus, here we can write as 8x cube is equal to 3x into 2x. So you can write here 9x cube minus 6x square equal to 0. X square, 3x square taken common. You can write here 3x minus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to 0, origin, you should not consider origin. Then x is equal to 2 by 3 should write. Whenever x is equal to 2 by 3, y becomes 4 by 3. Therefore, point is 2 by 3 comma 4 by 3. Now, differentiating 1 and 2 both sides will be getting diff 1. Differentiating 1 both sides. dy by dx is equal to 2. There is no, it is a like constant function. So no need to apply, substitute the values. Next, differentiating 2 you write. Differentiating 2. Using the formula implicit function directly we can write this one as dy by dx is equal to minus dou f by, we can write here minus 3xy is equal to 0. Minus 3xy equal to 0. Dou x by dou y 3x square minus 3y whole by, this is minus of dou x by dou y. Next dou f minus of dou x by dou x. Dou f by dou y I am writing here 3y square minus 3x. 3 get cancelled. Slope m2 is equal, this is m2 minus 3 taken comma, it becomes x square minus y by y square minus x. Substitute the value 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. So m2 you can write here minus of 2 by 3 whole square 4 by 9 minus this is 4 by 3 whole by 4 by 3 whole square means 16 by 9 minus 2 by 3. So m2 is equal. M2 is equal to, take an LCM here, this is 4. It is 9, 3 fourths of 9, this is minus of 4 minus 3 fourths of 12. by 9 whole by, this is 9 LCM, so here 9 you can write 16 minus 3 2s are 6, 9 and 9 got cancelled, 4 minus 12 is 8, this is minus 8 by this is 10, so M2 is equal to, you can write here as minus 4 by 5. Now using the formula tan theta is equal here, this is M1 equal to, tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2, 1 minus 2 into 1 plus M1 M2, I had written like this. 5 2s are 10, this is 14 by 5 got cancelled, 5 minus 8 3, 5 minus 8 14 by 3, but he given as a 6 by 3 maybe, minus M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 M2, M1 means 2 minus M2, it became plus, and 1 plus M1 M2, 3x minus of 3x square, you do one thing, try yourself this sum, okay, if mistake is there then you can find it. Now 34th question, 33 completed, 34th question. The curves x square minus y square is equal to 5. The curves x square minus y square is equal to 5, and x square by 18 plus y square by 18, when mistake is there, you correct it. X square minus y square is equal to 5. Let us write, yesterday we discussed the formula a1 x square plus b1 y square equal to 1, and next one a2 x square plus b2 y square equal to 1 are orthogonal. If the two curves are orthogonal, then condition is 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 equal to 1 by b1 minus 1 by b2, or the condition I said 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1 is equal to 1 by a2 minus 1 by b2. Using this formula, 34 question you write x square minus y square is equal to 5, and x square by 18, x square minus y square by x square by 18 plus y square by 18 equal to 1. Next one, so it becomes circle. He is asking about y square equal to 8 he given. Let us discuss first of all 34th question. The curves x square minus y square is equal to 5. So it is a rectangle hyperbola. If this is a circle, this is an ellipse he given. One rectangle hyperbola and one ellipse should not be perpendicular. Just let us discuss. One a1 here you can write as x square into 1 by 5. Next, here you can discuss y square into 1 by 5. Y square by 1 equal to 1. So a1 is equal to 1 by 5. a2 is equal to also here b1 right. b1 is equal to also 1 by 5. So 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 is equal to 1 by b1 minus 1 by b2. 18 should be there. So you write here, according to option I am verifying 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 equal to 0. Here also you can write here, this is 1 by 18 minus 18 like this. 1 by here a2 means 1 by 18 and b2 means 1 by 18. 1 by 18, 1 by 1 by of 1 by 1 by 18 b is 18, 18 minus 18 equal to 0. If the value this and this are equal, then theta is equal to 5 by 2. According to option, it is third option. 35. This one directly you can say a square minus same concept. 1 by a1 minus 1 by same concept you write. 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2. 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 means a square minus b square here. Using first equation. So what the equation he given? First you write x square by a square. First I am writing here x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 comma x square by L square minus y square by m square equal to 1. Using this one, a square by same formula 1 by a1 minus 1 by b1 equal to 1 by a2 minus 1 by b2. Directly you can write also 1 by s, 1 by means a square minus b square is equal to L square. Here minus of minus you should substitute L square plus m square. That's all. So here it is third option. Next, 36th question. 36th one, the angle between the two curves is given separately y and separately y as two functions. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 4. Two functions is given as y is equal to first one x cube minus 3x square. X cube minus 3x square minus 8x plus 4, that is the first curve, and the second curve is y is equal to 3x square plus 7x plus 4. We should calculate the angle between the two curves here to minus 1 comma 0. Minus 1 comma 0 angle between two curves. He did not give point of intersection. Okay. Minus 1 comma 0 point of intersection given. Simply you calculate the differentiating dy by dx equal to 3x square minus 6x minus 8. This is m1, and here dy by dx is equal to 6x plus 7. At minus 1 comma 0 slope I am writing at minus 1 comma 0 slope m1 equal to substitute the value minus 1 here, it becomes 3 into minus 1 square, 3 plus 6, 9 minus 8, 1. Here minus 1 you substitute, then slope m2 is equal to minus 6 plus 7, here also 1 you get. Whenever two slopes are equal, they are said to be parallel or collinear, there will be no angle. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. 37. The tangent lines at a comma 0, 0 comma a on the curve. Let us draw the diagram like this. Tangent lines at a comma 0, 0 comma a on the curves include an angle. A comma 0, 0 comma a. Logical thinking we can put, students. A comma 0 is on x axis. 0 comma a is on y axis. Whenever x axis, y axis, two lines are perpendicular, at the point C is given, then directly you can write theta is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Next, 38th one. The circle and the hyperbola touches. It is an IMP concept because in hyperbola secondary geometry you will be learning about auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle. This is auxiliary circle. This is hyperbola. Here 0 comma 0 center, and this is a comma 0, and this is minus a comma 0. A comma 0 and minus a comma 0 are the end points of diameter of the circle and the vertices of the hyperbola. According to here, x square minus y square is equal to a square. He given the rectangular hyperbola, and x square plus y square is equal to a square. He given the center. The circle and hyperbola. Simply he is asking the question. This is called auxiliary circle. What is meant by auxiliary circle? If the circle touches the two vertices of hyperbola is called as auxiliary circle. It is simple definition, and we can say the proper definition as the circle which is having transverse axis as a diameter. The circle which is having transverse axis of diameter. Transverse axis means x-axis. The circle, I am writing the definition. The circle which is having transverse axis of hyperbola. The circle which is having transverse axis of hyperbola. Transverse axis of hyperbola is called as diameter. which is having transverse axis hyperbola as diameter is called as an auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle equation, auxiliary circle equation x square plus y square is equal to a square. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇది డయామీటర్ అంటే -a, 0 లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, a, 0 రైట్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి. ఫుల్ లెంత్ చేస్తే మీకు 2a వస్తుంది. 2aలో హాఫ్ a కాబట్టి రేడియస్, సెంటర్ 0 0 ఉన్నది కాబట్టి నీకు అది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ హ్యావింగ్ సెంటర్ 0 0 అండ్ రేడియస్ a is x square plus y square equal to a square. And it is nothing but the point, common point for the circle and hyperbola is -a, 0 and a, 0 he given as third option as plus or minus a, 0. ఇక్కడ మనం లెవెల్ 2 కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. లెట్ us discuss sums in level 3 also. Level 3 there will be no class work or homework in separate level 3. Level 3 questions according to our material. In tangents and normal topic total 23 are there in module 3. Let us discuss first question. For first question level 3 I am writing some concept. What is concept means? Read the question carefully. The equation of the tangents at origin to the curve. If the curve passes through origin, this is concept. Remember as a formula also. If the given curve passing through origin, if any given curve passing through origin, then what he is asking? The equation of tangents at the origin to the curve. If the curve passing through origin, to get tangents, equate lowest degree terms. Equate lowest degree terms. Lowest degree means smallest degree. Lowest degree or smallest degree terms. That's all. Highest degree terms ekkada ekku cheyam. What is lowest degree? Example y cube, y square, y like that. Y cube 3 degree, y square 2 degree, y power 1 degree. Here it is lowest degree is 1. According to that concept, he is asking. Now he given y square is equal to x square into 1 plus x square. So you write here y square is equal to x square plus x cube plus x power 4. Substitute the value 0 here. 0 square is equal to 0 square into anything. 0 into 0 it becomes here 0 into 1 plus 0 it becomes 0. 0 equal to 0. Whenever the curve passes through the origin, to get the equation of tangents, you should compare lowest degree. Here 4, 3, 2 are there. So lowest degree both sides equate. So here you should write y square is equal to x square. Or simply you can calculate, you write here y equal to plus or minus x. That's all. So it is the equation of tangent. Next, second question. Second question. Let us see the equation of common normal at the point of contact of the curves x square equal to y and x square plus y square minus 8y equal to 0. X square is equal to y. It is a parabola. Y equal to x square equal to 4ay model. X square equal to y. It is first one. And x square plus y square minus 8y equal to 0 he given. The equation of common normal at the point of contact, the y x square equal to y and x square plus y square minus 8y equal to 0. Unity common normal again. Point of contact he did not give. We should calculate. That implies using x square you substitute here y square plus y minus 8y equal to 0. X square equal to y he given and x square plus y square minus 8y he given. Y square if we substituted here y square plus y minus 8y. It can be written as y square minus 7y equal to 0, y taken common, y minus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, you can write this one as y equal to 0 and y equal to 7. Let it be first equation and let it be second equation. If you put x equal to 0, from 1 I am writing here, from 1 if you put y equal to 0 here, then x also becomes 0. If y is equal to 7, x square is equal to 7 and x is equal to root 7. Plus or minus 2 terms will be there, we can consider one term it is enough. Then we are writing here I am writing points 0, 0 and root 7, 7. Means points of intersection of the two curves. Here, where the point of intersection, we should calculate equation of common normal. Equation of common normal. Common normal and tangent. According to options, you see x square is root 7, 7. No concept is like that. Everything is in the form of 0, 0. So first option is not correct. Fourth option is also not correct. Maybe the answer is in second and third option. Common normal he is asking. If we diff both sides, one differentiating both sides, first equation we get dy by dx is equal to 2x. Yet x is at 0, 0 you take, at 0, 0 slope m is equal to 0. At 0, 0 slope m is equal to 0. Slope m indicates the slope of the tangent, but we need here slope of, we'll write here, slope m equal to 0. What is the slope 0? Slope 0 axis equation of x axis slope equal to 0. That time place you write here slope of x axis. Slope of x axis, that is y equal to 0. For tangent I am writing. But he is asking about for normal. For normal, he is asking common normal. So reverse it. Whenever you are reversing it, the answer is x equal to 0. If you calculate this one also, you will be getting like this. So this is enough. So third one. If the normal at the point p theta of the curve, this is an asteroid. The curve is called as asteroid. X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3. If the normal at the point p theta of the curve, if the normal at point p theta of the curve, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to a power 2 by 3 passes through the origin. So let us consider parametric points as x is equal to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. So dy by dx we can write here dy by d theta by dx by d theta as parametric points. Dy by d theta by dx by d theta. So 3a sin square theta. Plenty of times we have discussed about this one. 3a sin square theta cos theta by minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. Sin theta sin square times cos square cancel. Here you can write as this one tan theta minus tan theta. So x is asking about normal, equation of normal. Equation of normal formula y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 here the value a sin cube theta. Which one we should discuss in third question was the normal p theta he is asking. Y minus a sin cube theta. Let us okay. Equation of normal means complete you should write. At the passes through the origin. Okay. Y minus a sin cube theta is equal to slope of normal. You reverse it. It becomes here cot theta. Cot theta into here this is cot theta into x minus a cos cube theta. Now you substitute here, put 0 comma 0 he is asking. Minus a sin cube theta is equal to cot theta into minus a cos cube theta. Minus a got cancelled both sides. Sin cube theta by cos cube theta, tan cube theta is equal to cot theta. You substitute their value and verify the options. Sin cube theta, if you write here sin cube theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, so you can write here this becomes sin power 4 theta equal to cos power 4 theta. Cos theta by sin theta had written, sin power 4 theta we can write here sin power 4 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Whenever sin theta is equal to cos theta, we know that theta is equal to pi by 4. So third question completed. Let us discuss about fourth question. If the parametric equations of a curve, given by x is equal to e power t cos t and y is equal to e power t sin t. X value and y value be given in the parametric form. X is equal to e power t cos t and y is equal to e power t sin t. You write here x is equal to e power t cos t and y is equal to e power t sin t. We should calculate the tangent to the curve at the point t is equal to pi by 4 makes an angle with the positive direction of x-axis. అంటే ఇక్కడ ట్యాంజెంట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. ట్యాంజెంట్ ఏమైతే వాల్యూ వస్తుందో అప్పుడు సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే యూ షుడ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ tan ఆల్ఫా అంటే dx by dt did not discussing about parameter t equal to pi by 4 he given. Okay, dy by dx I am writing to calculate the slope of the given curve using the parametric point. We can parametric differentiation, we can say that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. So e power t into here this can be written as uv dash plus vu dash e power t into cos t plus e power t derivative e power t into sin t by here also you can say that uv dash plus vu dash e power t into minus sin t plus e power t into cos t. If we divide with e power t will be getting cancelled. Slope m is equal to cos t plus sin t by cos t minus sin t. Okay, you will be getting the value like this. Cos t plus sin t by cos t minus sin t. If you divide the letter cos t, you will be getting here 1 plus tan t by 1 minus tan t. I mean, you divide the trigonometric function cos t to the numerator and denominator also. You know the formula of tan of a plus b. Using the formula of tan of a plus b, you will be getting here tan of pi by 4 plus t. Here the slope, generally the slope indicated with the letter tan theta. Tan theta is equal to here pi by 4 plus t. Tan of pi by 4 plus t we got. So slope tan theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 we got here. Theta is equal to pi by 4 plus t. Given according to given condition t is equal to pi by 4. Therefore you substitute the value t, then you will be getting here pi by 4 plus pi by 4 as pi by 2. Here it is fourth option. Now let us discuss about fifth question. It is somewhat lengthy sum. You should take care about doing the fifth question. Read the question carefully and what is the data he given and what is the value we should calculate. Fifth question. The portion of tangent he is asking. The portion of tangent to the curve. Curve full x is equal to root of a square minus a square plus a by 2 into log of this one. Intercept between the curve and x-axis is of length. Intercept between the curve and x-axis. Intercept between ante equation find out chesi x-axis intercept find out cheyali. Chuddam. X is equal. Fifth question. Given value x is equal to root of a square minus y square plus a by 2 root of a square minus y square plus a by 2 into log of a minus root of a square minus y square by a plus root of a square minus y square. This is a square minus y square. Put a bracket here. Intercepted between the curve and x-axis of length. Let us consider here first step. X is equal to root of a square minus y square plus a by 2 into, now we can take here log a by b as log a minus root of a square minus y square. A by 2 taken common like this. Log a by b becomes log a minus log b. Here you can write log of log a minus root of a square minus y square minus log a plus root of a square minus y square. So it becomes here x is equal. Now diff both sides you can take. Differentiating both sides. Now you write here with respect to y. Then here you can write dx by dy, not dy by dx. Dx by dy. We know that root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Here you can write as internal derivative minus 2y by 2 root a square minus y square plus a by 2 into log of this derivative 1 by a minus root of a square minus y square 1 by a minus root of a square minus y square into this internal derivative 0 minus root x derivative 1 by 2 root x and internal derivative minus 2y by this is internal derivative 1 by 2 root x I am discussing. So 2 into root of a square minus y square. This is first term derivative completed. In the same way we should calculate second term derivative. Second term derivative log x derivative 1 by x. So you write as in the same model 1 by a plus root of a square minus y square into, you write here internal derivative 0 plus root x derivative I am discussing 1 by 2 root of x. So a derivative 0 and this one a square minus y square. So plus you can write here 0 plus of 2y minus 2y whole by, you write here internal derivative 2 into root of a square minus y square. Okay, here second one completed. Let it be another equation. Dx by dy, these 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Dx by dy you write here minus y by root of a square minus y square plus a by 2 into, here 2 and 2 can get cancelled, plus minus of minus plus becomes 2 already got cancelled, no need to write here. Y by root of a square minus y square. Root of a square minus y square into, we put here small bracket, it is better. A minus root of a square minus y square. Here minus minus is there in between. Here internal derivative minus 2y is there. So minus I am writing, let it be complete, this 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Then you can write here minus of minus plus y by this one, we can write root of a square minus y square. A square minus y square into, this is a square. into a plus, put in a small bracket, a plus root of a square minus y square. So again next step we can written as minus y by root of a square minus y square plus, we can take common here root a square minus y square, root a square, y is there. You take common as ay by 2 root of a square minus y square into here 1 by a minus, you can write this one as 1 by a minus root of a square minus y square plus 1 by a plus root of a square minus y square. Next to take LCM, it becomes minus y by root of a square minus y square, minus y by root of a square minus y square plus here ay by 2 root of a square minus y square into this term and this term taken this side. It can be written as a square, a plus root of a square minus y square plus a minus root of a square minus y square. It becomes 2a. So 2a by, this is a plus b into a minus b model. Then you can write this one as a square minus a square plus y square. A square get cancelled. Here that is equal to minus y by, this 2 and 2 get cancelled here, minus y by root of a square minus y square plus a square, here a and a square I am writing, a square y by, here y square is there, okay, y square is there. So y get cancelled easily, y square is there by a square minus y square. Here y square times get cancelled, that is equal to minus y by root of a square minus y square plus a square by y root of a square minus y square. If we take common, I mean this term this side, this term this side, it becomes, by taking LCM, y root of a square minus y square, here you can written as minus y square plus a square whole by y into root of a square minus y square. It can be calculated as, numerator can be written in the form of a square minus y square root 2 times, here y into root a square minus y square you can write, root a square minus y square got cancelled. Therefore, we got the value dx by dy is equal to root of a square minus y square by y. But to calculate slope, we need dy by dx. Slope, we need dy by dx is equal to y by root of a square minus y square. Now you read the question. What is the value we should calculate? Intercept between the curve and x-axis of length. So using this one, dy by dx is equal to, at origin he given, just the portion of tangent to the curve intercept between the curve and x-axis of length. Between the curve and x-axis of length. So curve and x-axis, length of which one you should calculate? Curve and x-axis, portion of tangent. So length of tangent. Okay. LT. What is the formula of LT? y1 root 1 plus m square by m. M he given full this much. So y1 means simply y1 we can write. y1 by m. M means this one full dy by dx. y1 by dy by dx. y1 means y only, right, no problem. Y by a square minus y square over root into 1 plus this one y square by a square minus y square over root of 1 plus m square I am writing. If root a square minus y square taken that side, then y1 by m square, y1 by lt y1 by m I had written y1 by 1 plus a square, this is a square, here we should write. So root a square minus y square taken numerator, then you can write here root a square minus y square by 1. This term taken that side, a square minus y square plus y square minus y square get cancelled. A it becomes along with root mod a you can write here, and a square minus y square you will be getting it. If it is get cancelled, then you will be getting the length of tangent as mod a. So according to options, it is third option. Next, let us discuss about sixth question. It is a small question. Today, last question, sixth question in level 3. This is lengthy sum. Take care about fifth question. One or two times the students should try to understand. Sixth question. In the curve y is equal to b into e power x by a. Sixth question. Y is equal to b into e power x by a given. In the curve y is equal to b into e power x by a. Question he given according to AEEE question he given as subtangent is constant, subnormal varies as the square of the ordinate. రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ రెండు మనం చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. dy by dx you can equate. dy by dx is equal to b by a into e power x by a. So e power x by a derivative e power x by a, internal derivative I had written e power dy by dx, I mean y dash or m we can write is b by a into y. b by a into y we got. So you can write here y dash by y, no need. Y dash by y, no need. Y by y dash I write. Let it be first. It may be useful. Okay, let it be first. Let it be second. It may useful later. Now you write y by y dash. It becomes a by b. Y by y dash. Y1 by m is there. This is m. Means y1 by m means y1 by m. It is a by b. What is the value of y1 by m? LST. Length of subtangent is constant we got. Length of subtangent is constant according to options. Length of subtangent is constant. A given. A is correct. It's okay. Next, let us discuss about B. Subnormal varies as the square of the ordinate. LSN formula. Length of subnormal is y into m. What is the value of y? B into e power x by a. So simply y you write. What is the value of m? B by a into y you write. So it can be written as y square into b by a. Whenever b by a you think as a constant, then LSN is directly proportional to y square you can write. Therefore it indicates subnormal varies the square of the ordinate. Ordinate means y. Y square is the square of the ordinate. So both A and B are correct. So sixth question complete అయింది. ఈ రోజుతో ఈ క్లాస్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. రేపటి క్లాస్లో మనం ఇదే లెవెల్ 3 కాన్సెప్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేసేద్దాం. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్.